at the airport, and they found out that my husband does photography. And we met the guy alone, and his girlfriend was inside of the bedroom, and basically he told us that he's trying to do a surprise proposal. And he asked my husband, because he saw his camera, to do the videography, photography for him. So now we're going to basically go over there. We lied to them and say that, yeah, we're just doing a photography bashment basically for like a portfolio for him, but not knowing this is really for her proposal. So we're about to surprise them right now.
Hi guys.
Hello.
So I'm back. Did you guys get the speaker to work?
Yeah, we got the speaker.
Okay.
It's low. Yeah, volume stuff.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. So enjoying your dinner?
Yeah. So far so good.
That's good.
Good, how are you?
Good. How are you, sir?
I'm okay, how are you? Please don't call me sir, that's my father.
This is a cute little setup.
It is.
Yeah.
No, you guys literally stand out, so when you say you're over here, I literally looked at the window and seen all the lights. Yeah.
My teacher, my advisor, my travel companion, the wife of my future kids. I love you.
Congratulations.
Thank you guys.
Let's see the ring.
You can read it.
Beautiful.